Today I am going to be using Chat GPT to make my gardening business. I've already got a farmland, and yeah, I've already started doing vermicomposting, started my worm bin. I've got access to growing. So yes, I use a little prompt finder on GitHub. I saved a couple of little prompts here. Look. I'm going to use this one. Generate digital startup ideas based on what I'm already doing in my business. For example, when I say I've begun vermicomposting as a beginner, I do this at home in a workshop. I want to make worm castings to sell and also to grow my own fruit and vegetables and flowers. What are the next steps? You generate a business plan for the digital startup, complete with the idea name, a short one-liner, target user persona, user pain points to solve, main value proposition, sales and marketing channels, revenue stream sources, cost structures, key activities, key resources, key partners, idea, validation steps, estimated 1 year of cost of operation, and potential business challenges to look for. Write a result in a markdown table. Let's see what it does for me. So as you can see, ChatGPT has given me a table of all the things I asked for. The idea name, wormcastingsonline.com. Not too bad, I guess. A one-liner, we provide organic worm castings for your gardening needs. Target user, health-conscious and eco-friendly gardeners who want to grow their own organic fruit, veg and flowers. Difficulty in finding organic and affordable fertilizer, lack of space to compost at home, time-consuming process of composting, uncertainty about compost quality and lack of knowledge about worm casting. The main value proposition, affordable and high quality organic worm castings, free educational resources about worm composting, check that out on my YouTube channel, convenient time-saving delivery service, personalized customer support, sales marketing channels, social media, email, organic search, SEO, word of mouth, and collabs, we're going to say it, with gardening influencers and bloggers. Revenue stream sources, online sale of worm castings, shipping fees, bulk sales to local garden stores, cost structure, obviously the worms already got that, website hosting and maintenance, I've sorted that, labour costs, that's all me, and marketing expenses. Haven't done any of that yet. Key activities, worm composting, gardening, support, key worms, we've got it yet. Yeah, e-commerce website. Oh, I didn't really get that. Social media, knowledgeable stuff. Well, you got me. Key partners, yeah, suppliers, gardening bloggers, influencers, gardening stores and nurseries. So yeah, it's giving me a lot of good stuff here. Let's ask it a few more questions. So I'm gonna write. Already. Wow. Some containers, worms, bedding, already. Or what should my next steps be? So, great to hear. You've got some necessary resources to start your business. Here are some next steps. Develop your product line. Consider expanding your product line beyond worm castings. You could create compost tea. Yeah, I know what it is, thank you. Or vermicompost, which is also a soil amendment for worm casting. Identify your target. Research your local area and determine your target market is. You may find this as a high demand garden in your community. Consider marketing your products to small-scale farmers, community gardens, and urban gardeners. Develop your branding and marketing strategy. Determine your branding message and create a logo, a website that aligns with your message. Consider using social media to promote your products. You can also attend farmers markets or other local events to promote your products. Okay, good idea. Determine your pricing, shipping. Be local pickup for now. Focus on your customer service. Provide excellent customer service. Okay, so this one about your branding. So I found a website which you can create a logo. So natural farm. Okay. So brand keywords. Organic, gardening, compost, worms, well-being. What else can we think of? Well, what's the name? Gardening? Wash. Oh, so how do you want to go? Organic? I'll put organic, surely. And here we go, we're generating logos already. Come on, minute. First time I'm using this website, that's one I actually like. I've actually found one I don't hate, so this one here, if you go on here, that shows you what it would look like on different brands, I guess. Gives you a brand and colours, which is quite cool. And then what else does it give you? Get some banners. That's what you want to sign up for it. I just thought that's like cool to look into. And also, that's called brandmark.io. And then there's one called durable.co, which I haven't signed up for, so let's have a look at this place. 30 seconds. FYI, if you do use this website, it does automatically find your location, even if you block it. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you know that. It does show up here, but I've moved the map so you can't see it. But what type of business? Gardening. So let's go back to that same screen. What's the name of your business? So okay. Wow, so it is pretty simple. Huh. What colours do I want to go for? This is crazy. Literally going to build it all for us. Wow. Let's see what it comes up with, shall we? I don't do landscaping. I do lawn care. I do planting. Wow, that's giving us some cool little pictures. It's telling you all I've been working on, which is never good. I'm going to have to get rid of that before I show business. Let's go. So SEO, make sure your website's SEO. Is it creating social media accounts? How do we got this? Create valuable content such as blog posts or videos. Yep. Business partnerships, email marketing, attend local events. So basically it's all kind of in my hands now, isn't it? I'll see how it is, Chat GPT. So if we go back to looking at this. Social fees. I guess I need to somehow get in touch with all the local gardeners. But yes, this is using AI to build the business from the ground up. And this is the first video. I'm going to continue this in the series. So let's see, obviously we've done step 1. We're going to do step 2, 3, 4, 5 going forward and actually show you video of me doing it in real life. I'll see you on the next one.